Hey, welcome to Dynamic Coder. Today we will show you how to make a custom module in Drupal in less than 5 minutes. So first we have to do is, let me show you how to do what are modules. So first what we do is, we will show a list of modules where all the modules in the Drupal are listed. So this is the place where all the modules are listed in Drupal. So we will create our custom module and it will also be listed here. So let's get started. So we have to go to sites, all and modules, and here we have to create our folder for our new module. We will create a new folder and name it as codes. So each module has these three basic files: info, install, and module. Let's first open the info file. It will create the module, contain the module name, description, and package name, and it will be shown. The package name will be shown in the list which you have just seen. And now in module file you will it will get all the functionality part of the module. So let's just click refresh, and as you can see we have only info file and it module is get listed, but it will just get listed, it will do nothing. So inside install we can do the things like creating our table at the time in the backend. If you want that when we install our module the tables get created, that such kind of stuff we can do here. So we have created two tables, quotes and quote ratings. So when user click install, these two tables are created at the backend. And also we have a method quotes uninstall. This uninstall hook will be invoked when we uninstall our module. So let's click it and install, and now in backend it will create a table. So let's check quickly. 5 tables, and here it is, quotes and quote ratings. So table is created. And now we want to list our module here. So for this we have to write a code in our code.module file. To list a module in that menu we have to use a menu hook. We use quote underscore menu, and then we give the path from where we want our menu to appear, heading, and then a function callback function Drupal get form, which will get a form for us, and a callback argument code settings where we define the form. So we'll quickly create the code settings. So it will create the form for us. So I have already created a code using form API, Drupal form API. You can find it on drupal.org. So here is a quick short form with two fields and one submit button and one field type. So what we have done here is we have created a form with two fields and one submit button, and submit it will redirect to course underscore get form. So let us just quickly make the function course underscore get form. It will get invoked whenever a form gets submit. So for now we are setting up a message Drupal underscore set message submit. It will do nothing, but it will just display a message submitted. So let's quickly refresh it, and here's the module manage course. Click on it and it will show the form. The form with two text fields and one field set, add a new code. Okay, let's quickly click on submit the message which we have set. So now quickly modify the submit quote underscore get form and now replace it with the actual one. So now it will take the values and insert it into the database which we have created on during the installation. So quickly add a quote. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep balance, you must keep moving. Outside that, Albert Einstein. So we'll click on save and quotes added. So let's just quickly go to the database and check whether it is set or not. But before that, let's create a block. If you want to create a block which will be listed here, so we have to use a block hook. So let's quickly create a block hook, quotes underscore block. Yeah, it is. So we have created a block hook and created a method to show the code, so show code. And here we have a query which will randomly display any code from the database and set it into the block as its subject and content. So click refresh and our block will be listed here. Block, and here's a block favorite codes. And we have to assign a reason for our block. Click on save. We have just assigned the weight so that it will um, appear below all the contents. Now we have click on configure and we have set here the pages on which we want to list it. We want only to list it on only single page, so save block. And here as you can see we have our data. So let's quickly add some more data. Opportunity multiplier as this is. Save and let me add some one more. Okay, done. So now refresh. Every time you may get the same data, but it means it's possible that you may get the same data more than one time because we have used the render function which may render the same data but it will render different data. Let's try luck again. So now you have hit refresh again and again. Okay, so we have just created a simple module in less than